Dominator, what's going on, my friend? Congratulations on achieving your black belt. I'm very happy for you. I'm sorry I wasn't there to spar with you, but hey, if you're calling me out saying you really want to spar with me, trust me, I have your address. I can find you. We can spar. No problem. Now that you're a black belt, there can be no tears. You can't call for your mom or your dad. It's just me and you, one-on-one. One guy walks away, one guy is carried away. Bam. Dude, I'm so happy and I'm very proud of you. So you stuck with it. It wasn't easy, but you worked for your goal and you achieved your goal. That's what life is all about. And remember, what my sensei told me is once I got my black belt, it was only the beginning. So hopefully you'll stick with the martial arts, but if not, stick with the teachings from the martial arts. Fall down 7 times, rise 8 times, life begins from there. Never quit, my friend. There's a lot more within you than you know. You have a tremendous amount of potential. So do your best to manifest it, all right? And Jessica, my furry friend, I hope things are going well for you and your lovely family. Thank you for the kind words. And I'm just very happy about you guys doing well. All right. Okay, Dom, take care, my friend. Peace.